Okay, like 5 seconds ago.
You feel better? Yeah? You forget all about me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said, yeah. I forgot all about you. Suck up some more strawberries, man. Good job. Good job.
You okay? Does it taste good?
Good. Good.
Nice. Deep breath.
Oh, awesome. Good. Can you blow in your nose? Can you blow? Good. Do it again. Blow through your nose. Okay. Good.
I need this some of this stuff at home. He'd probably listen to me better.
All right. Keep your nose. No. Oh, okay. Back on the mouth. Okay. Oh, is it? Oh, because it's in your vision. Okay. Breathe. Yeah. Breathe in
Take a deep breath.
and blow it out through your mouth.
Good job.
In through your mouth and out through your mouth. Good. Keep up the good work, man. Oh, don't eat it. Don't bite it.
Can she try to put it on your nose, Sisto, and then you can see if you can watch the movie? Let her try it, okay?
A little bit on the nose, okay? Let's try.
Then keep watching the show. Let's see if it works.
You're okay. It's okay. Keep breathing, okay? Through your nose. You can't leave your nose out. Your mouth was getting